say you see a person Ghana here. Some of these things are the processes. Yeah, person Ghana here is not just an event. A process. And these are some of the processes. Yeah, equalization of politics. And that's metis anima na bibi ya ebe. Say yeah equalization na ye chachuchi kata. And not sorry them ye koche no ne binum no oyare and ye de ne kokotu. That is madness. You get it. Emra. But there's one consistent thing now. If I'm when people for no kokose Ghana and your modia. They are consistent threats. And I say about power. And I say about power. And I say about power. Sanse muno munyaka. Because Ghana and your modia. Let us be very honest to the NPP. Say about power. Na ye kwachi obia. Nipa no just nyame ne ba be ye no bail condition or some of these things. It has seems say the Ghana ye odiana wo hu so hwe ne yatama ma obi nti dey asaba beje wade na obeje wade a you will ensure stiffer punishment or whatever. What does that mean? As I say enti ye nyama Ghana ne nse saa. You see sisi ayete ha no mo se wo hu aye wo aban foforo otesu sisi ya no otinte so to form kra na your position will tell you say oh yeah po so just on him sir otinte so to on say be ka cho oh yeah po
be man so yiri
be ma kofo che say so na girafa kofo edan the same way say one tinte so anto ho no be ka say na akra den u si so ba so ye to abade ma u so kra to asase kra nya feta. Whatever we will do, whatever every government will do, whether being it NDC or MPP, people will have something to say. But akwakoye nsabi etwa to ho no mo ye nsabone. Omo akasa ena distance hunu from day one till now. You share instances, those equalization, which to me, I person may use some harsh words this morning. But the NPP should consistently be very careful with the way you see your money. And as you about power, you bet you remember that you about power. Ghana you dia. Now when I can't say about power. So Ghana for trouble mawa. Would you force your way to becoming the president, or would you force your way say Obabeye what do you call Obabi Ghana Swana? Nobody would do that. Emra. Yes say miracles abuaje. Why you from so it's can be a fan in Sassy. Ya chen, you see investigating no. Ya dracotum. Court to bed the car say, yeah, jailing miracles about 10 years or 15 years with hard labor, into prison with hard labor. Investigations. What is the big deal? No matter first senior man for all the Bejina Hodomo. I said, walk a crew, Nimas and Hawker. Senior man for junkies for Binum na cock for Baby Jordan, Nasemunukwa. Threat to the police, threat to the military officers, threat to the security agencies. Charlie, look, see, I may name Rias of mine, and never be what my best I know. And let me tell you this: the young ones are watching. They are watching carefully, and they will do worse than that. The young ones are watching, and they will do worse than that. If care is not taken, the time is coming now. Sanema webe man abro so na for one man now yem show. Look at the posture, the way I now seeing Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe kasa. Look at the passion. You could hear some level of yemshishibi on the voice in him. Is that where Ghana we are supposed to get to? Yeah, in Malaysia don't they see so?
O can want them.
Yeah, in Singapore don't they see so? Singapore undoubtedly, I mean, yes, your doors will chum be brave if you could pass a crowd doors and chain.
Your resources see
yes, but you can imagine like Kumasi crash on chain Singapore, the entire Singapore. But the truth is that you come home bubbles here. Mauritius, you come home bubbles. Almost uncle for the idea. You come home bubbles at the ICT center or you kruma. Nanka brabe nanka sanko for we my botten ya. You know Muslims we no cry in your independence of credit or more. Omo abesai Hong Kong baby. So Joe Mr. Boss I deal with mommy. Na Ghana for you be. Malaysia in 2024. Omo revenue and access to come free tourism mu kwa. Bono be anti be tourism revenue munya free tourism because 2025 any of the years. Na kana Ghana for 90 because I was there and I know the figure. These are some of the things you should be focusing on. Ni yetuto ye mra no okwa Singapore you dare not ultimate tete so nto abonten. Ada na go for the call omo ko tete so but omba hanum so medi nsem hunu. Because mra na ye adwuma. It is Ghana for ye de mra e de ama obi ye de tumi de ama Ibrahim say Ibrahim e medi Ghana so. Na say Ibrahim a appoint say Joe appoint Ebubini appoint go for say ye mamra no nya adwuma na say say betotom na say all in the name say ye mamra na adwuma na beta na be this huna na person che say.
Okay, so
say
we mame yes, okay, so 2024.
Yes.
Yes. It's about 22.3 billion US dollars.
Yeah.
And 2025.
Yeah.
And so yeah 28 billion.
Tourism kwao.
And tourism kwam. Omunya international tourist arrivals. 25.02 million visitors.
What's it $23 billion?
2024 22.4 billion.
22.4 billion.
And 2025 here 28 billion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Into 28 billion dollars no. Ghana yantam ye kora. Ankwasere yura. Amakedo for yatam kodi echi. Ene ye president ankwasere 3 billion. $3 billion.
Akoma FM.
Ye kwofo ka che say yenim yansa. Ndi skala mo fadi na fa maye, mo de maye be di enum. E mo sa kofa small boy bi betena IMF rep, small boy bi betena Bank of Ghana ho. E na mo say skala mo de maye kakra na boy na kire ye kwan ye fa so ndi esika no. Can you imagine this? $3 billion. Not this country. What do you say if for independence somewhere in August? The same year. Malaysia for. August the same year. You know what they did? And you know what they are doing? Go to Malaysia and see. Why should you draw up because the world is in Malaysia? Tourism, no. And it's like your politicians, they also managing the affairs of the country. We should rather be focusing.
31st August 1950.
Yes. Yeah. Every August, be able to Malaysia be a they be able to be a half price, no matter the shop. So I will be to Malaysia.
Independence Day.
Yes, Independent month.
Yeah.
Everything be able to be a half price. You see, this is what we need to focus our attention on. Now you just trivial, unnecessary, useless politics. Now you know how to say you invite you be say about investigating that. Now more kwakubochi and the order na free wine. Yes, look, let me ask you this question. How much miracles abwaje? What only mami wo?
Kabi any videos about me who?
What only papa wo?
Me who be?
What doctor about me wo?
That be.
One know who wo?
I've seen a general secretary.
I've
seen
organizer. Omuko ye sa chobo ni bi. Sa chobo omuko ye bi. They left those ones in the hands of some.
It was all granting interviews.
They granted. They just wanted the camera. Omu here camera na keke. Aba camera na capture obo movie. They will just go their way. Me just had a friend is saying, "Sad nyema hunu no. Sad my tanta ne eja the other party guys no. Say mo na mo nkoko, mo na mo ni mo hare. Na ya tam. What pictures be image of social media? They say one of the lawyers. Eko ho no ko be in the car buta. Nsa egu mu ni e fa ma boys no mo no.
Obe supply
boosters. You see the mindset and the mentality we have. It's yes, for no made the day and destroy the peace that we are enjoying, and also destroy the processes of our investigations. All in the name of Semhuno. Say Yankama Yante, we will be market time like this because this is superpower and this is about eco positioner. The same way, Yabaka so where the way, where discover, near the answer, who say the Chrome had to say near or man in Tumpon. Instead of focusing and putting all our energy into making sure, say, you're fixing KJT, you're fixing our hospitals, you're fixing our schools, you're fixing our roads, you're fixing everything that will create an enabling environment for businesses to grow. Nagan and Nya so fast one. Yet to them some phone, so who way ni didi. You can't make us say ya know ya, but the truth hurts some of these things are unnecessary, heavily unnecessary.
87.9 Kumasi.
Yeah, we didn't even free. Okay, Enra, yes, free me, yes, 50 million bill. What would you know? We na come with Japan, crabo, mokraye, yabe, 1 million Ghana. Don't run on Muja Honina, don't run on Muja Honina. Or more, you best surprise that the more money na. If you leave them, they will not be able to. Even crowd, they don't even know why they are there.
Oh yeah.
Don't run on Jahon, the woman named Chanamoho. They were there because people you're free, you're almost then you're from some random or moral support. I mean, what kind of a country are you trying to build? On my bed, it's maybe you invite you. Say, you want to have to say, what could you be Zika? Obi Abefrel. Ah, that's the aband there, Japan, they are showing some, and I say, the aband there, they are showing some. Not so, let's say, one person, let's say, from that's the investigative, and they're 2-1, eh, bonnet.
Cry, never cry.
So why this nonsense?
I mean, my main charm home rice.
Mami Ajua, Bessie Yanko Chrome, I will see your